Just the other day, yahoo, hoo, hoo, I joined a sailing boat, yahoo, hoo, hoo. Now I live upon the sea, action and adventure be the only thing I measure, yahoo, hoo, hoo. Ha 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 ha.
Last night was our first night on the route. Curtis came in despite many altercations with the law.
Fisherman Joshua Forrest catching his first big bass, about 326 pounds, 496 feet, you know, only the best.
Right now, Curtis is about to ascend on the bosun's chair. He's going to go all the way to the top of the mast. He's already harnessed, and they're giving him guidance. All the way up there.
I'm gonna die. Mission accomplished.
And now, it's my turn. Okay, so battery is dead, so won't get any more. Right now I am on the floor finishing the installation of these LED lights. Check them out. And they look amazing. So check them out right now. All we have left to do is clean up the boat a bit more, and then a few other minor things, and then it's time to sail to Grenada.
We fix the lights.
Okay, so we start our voyage today. There's Dave.
Morning.
And Barry.
Devon.
Barry's back.
Yes. Hey man, how you doing? I'm back in my life. I'm loaded.
We're getting the sail covers off, and we're starting to get the boat ready to sail out. Okay, so beloved Mother Nature decided to bless us with showers all day. So we could not actually sail out of Barbados today. I head to Grenada. I'm here with Luke.
Hiya.
We're going to the bar across the road to meet up with the rest of the crew. Yeah, rum shop vibes, and to get some Wi-Fi. So Curtis is actually back on the boat sleeping. We don't want we don't want to wake him up. So yeah, we should be sailing out tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning, because we're already cleared out of customs. The boat is ready. We got our food, ice, everything. We should just wake up and pull the sails up and then start heading to Grenada. So hopefully that goes as planned.